able to use the help from Polk
Right.
County. Well, the conditions up the East Coast, they've been pretty bad this morning, especially as you get towards that bend when you're talking about Daytona Beach, Jacksonville.
Yeah. We've seen some really strong wind and rain. Our Ryan Hughes has been out in it for hours now from Daytona. And I tell you, at points we could see the rain almost dancing on the International Speedway Boulevard there. Unbelievable.
Yeah, really unbelievable. And just a moment ago, Gail and Jean, the wind really picked up here as the outer band of that eye, the western band, is apparently coming closer and closer to Daytona Beach at this hour. Let me step out of the way and show you International Speedway Boulevard. Look at the palm trees blowing in the wind there. Really an unbelievable sight here in Daytona Beach at this hour. I just checked with the Daytona Beach Fire Department, and I'm told at this point that all emergency services have been suspended at this point. So if anybody needs police, medical, or fire assistance, unfortunately, they are out of luck at this point, as all emergency services have been suspended. And the fire department is citing the reason for that as the strong and severe winds. They simply cannot send their crews out into this. We have seen a number of vehicles traveling up and down International Speedway Boulevard here. And surprisingly, they're actually being followed by police officers. The officers are not pulling the drivers over. They're essentially escorting them to their locations just to get them off the roads as soon as possible. That's because there's a curfew in effect right now here in Daytona Beach. It ends tomorrow morning at 7. So emergency officials are urging everyone to stay put at this hour as the eye of this storm gets closer and closer to Daytona Beach. As I mentioned, that you can see a vehicle actually on International Speedway Boulevard stopped right there at the stoplight. Even though there is a curfew in effect, don't know the situation obviously underway in that vehicle right now. Perhaps they're headed somewhere important. But again, officials are urging everyone to stay off the streets here in Volusia because of the very strong winds getting stronger and stronger and the severe rain. Guys, back to you.
I'll tell you, that's very nice of the officers to do, to just escort them, because if there's a curfew, they're not supposed to be out there. Not only are they putting themselves in danger, but they're potentially putting those officers in danger as well.
But obviously a serious situation there to have to be out in this kind of weather.
Yeah. Okay, Ryan Hughes reporting live for us in Daytona Beach, where the